To draw the Lewis structure for BrOF3, we first need to know what atom is central. It's bromine that's central. So let's count the total number of valence electrons. Bromine has 7, oxygen has 6, fluorine has 7, and there are 3 of them. This gives us a total of 34 valence electrons. So if we bond the 3 fluorines and the 1 oxygen to bromine, we would have used up 8 of the 34. Fluorine atoms never form double bonds, and so they're going to need 6 electrons, 6 additional non-bonding electrons, or 3 lone pairs. So now we've used up a total of 26 valence electrons. So we have 8 left. 1, 2,